Okay, welcome to the Ajax stand, here with detector testers for our joint venture to bring professional test equipment to the Ajax clients worldwide. And I've got with me Gareth from Detector Testers, who's going to run through the products and talk about the development we've done together to bring this marvelous equipment to our markets. Gareth, tell us about the XTR2 with the Ajax adapter.
Brilliant, thanks Paul. So we've got a preview here of our adapter, which will do smoke and heat for the Ajax EN54 series of detectors. It is an adapter that fits onto any existing XTR2 simply by removing the membrane and then clipping on this adapter. And it's simply activated by placing the detector into the cup. It will then automatically start the test. It will do smoke testing and heat testing.
Brilliant.
It's been designed specifically for the Ajax detectors.
And I know this has been really well wanted by our organisations that we're working with, and we're pleased to say that this is going to be a fantastic addition for all the engineers to servicing and maintaining Ajax systems in the future. One of the other things we do as well is with our survey tools for wireless systems and removals for detectors on high ceilings. We have the removal and survey tools. So Gareth, please tell us about that.
Absolutely. So again, designed specifically for the Ajax detectors. You put the detector into the removal tool and also survey tool. There's a couple of bands which then fix the adapter into place, so that when you're doing your survey, you can either look at the app on the Ajax app to see what the signal strength is, or you can also view the signal level using the LEDs on the bottom of the detector there as well. It can also be used as a removal tool. So again, simply by offering up the removal tool to the detector and then twisting to remove the detector from the base.
One thing I just want to say about why we've worked with detector testers. It's very important that you're using the right test equipment with smoke detectors. We want to make sure that the medium you use does not affect the product itself in terms of contamination, residue buildups. And obviously, over many, many years, detector testers has got tried and tested materials that actually enable our detectors to work, but without leaving any residues or any other substances inside the product, which means that longevity and reliability is very important. So use the right equipment with Ajax and with this, which is our recommendations for servicing.
Great, brilliant.
Thank you.
Cheers, Paul.
Thanks, Gareth.
Thank you.